In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly schedule planner. We're going to do this the fast, no-fuss way using Excel's built-in templates, so you can start planning in minutes instead of building a layout from scratch. Begin inside Excel and head to the File menu in the upper left corner. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you can create something new. Think of it as the hub for starting fresh. You don't need to open a blank workbook or set up columns and borders yourself. Going to File sets you up to browse ready-made designs that already look clean and organized. Next, select More Templates. This opens the full template gallery. You'll see a range of categories and a search bar across the top. More Templates is where the entire catalog lives, beyond the handful you see on the start screen. It's perfect for planners, calendars, and schedules because the formatting is already done, and the page sizes are usually print-friendly. If you're planning for school, work, family routines, or fitness, this is where you'll find something that matches those needs without extra formatting. From the gallery, choose a template. Browse or use the search box to type phrases like weekly schedule or planner to narrow the results. Click a template thumbnail to open its preview and read the short description. Look for details that matter to you. Does it show all 7 days? Are there hourly time slots, or is it task-based? Is there room for notes, priorities, or checkboxes? Some templates are color-coded for easy scanning, while others are minimal and ideal for printing in black and white. If you prefer a week that starts on Monday, check that in the preview. If you like Sunday starts, choose accordingly. Pick the layout that aligns with how you naturally plan your time. Time blocks for meetings and classes, or category lists for priorities like work, personal, and errands. When you confirm your choice, Excel opens the planner as a new workbook pre-filled with sample headings and placeholders. That means the structure is done, and you can immediately start entering your tasks, events, and reminders for the week. The beauty of using a template is consistency. Every week will follow the same format, which makes planning faster and reviewing progress easier. And that's it. Go to File, open More Templates, and choose the weekly schedule design that fits your style. With the right template, you'll spend less time formatting and more time focusing on the plans that move you forward.